Welcome once again to the Taco Report. We're going to show you how to make Arbol Chile salsa. This salsa is a classic Mexican table salsa. The ingredients for the salsa are readily available and inexpensive. The first key ingredient is Arbol chilies, of course. You can find them in any supermarket with a Mexican food aisle. The next key ingredient is tomatillo. If you're not familiar with tomatillo, it resembles a small tomato, hence the name. And of course, garlic. Garlic is ubiquitous in Mexican food just like it is in most cuisines around the world. And lastly, we need sea salt. If you don't have sea salt available, don't worry, table salt works just fine. And now on to the preparation. We start with about 2 dozen chili peppers. Be sure to remove the stems. The first step is we take the peppers and roast them on a hot, dry pan. We stir them around to get an even charring all the way around. Once your peppers have gotten nice and toasty, put them in a bowl and set them aside. And now for the tomatillos. Take about half a pound of tomatillos, put them in a pot, just barely cover them with water, and bring them to a boil, and cook until tender. When the tomatillos are done, separate the broth from the tomatillos, pour the broth into a blender. Next, add your dry roasted Arbol chili peppers, garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of salt. Next, we blend everything together at 3 successively higher speeds in order to get a fine blend. And now for the final step in the process, we're going to take our tomatillos and put those in the blender as well. Tomatillos are already cooked thoroughly, so they don't need much blending. And there you have it, a classic Mexican table salsa you can make anytime. Don't forget to subscribe. We look forward to making many more videos for you on YouTube.